Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a blog in Google Sites as beginner. So for this purpose, first you need to open Sites website on your PC. Then here you have this blank site, click on it. Once you click on it, then wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here what you need to do, just give the title to your page. So here what you need to do, just highlight your text. Then this type of options will appear on your screen. Here the purpose of highlighting is that the text which we want to edit. Here what you need to do, enter that text which you want to add. Once you add text, then remove this your page title text from your title box. Once you done this, then from these options edit your text. So by tapping on this, you can change the font of your text. From here, you can change the font size of your text, and there are some more options like bold, italic, underline and other. So it's your choice that how you edit your text. Once you done this, then for creating blog posts, here you have this image button. Click on it, then click on upload option. But before this, I tell you that from where you get pictures. So for this purpose, go to Google and go to search bar and search for pixels. Once you search for pixels, then this type of page will appear on your screen. This is the best website for best free stock photos, royalty free images and videos. You can search about which type of videos and photos you want in this search bar. So here I search for Thailand beaches. Once you search for it, press the enter button from your keyboard. Here you can see all Thailand beaches will appear on your screen. Here select the beach which you want to add on your blog post. For this, go to that picture which you want to select. Then this type of download button will pop up. Click on it. In a while, that picture is downloaded which you selected. Then what you need to do, just go back to your site and click on image button. Then this will pop up. Here you have upload button. Click on it. Then this will pop up. From here, you can choose the image which you want to upload. So here I choose that picture which I downloaded. Then click on open button. Then wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, you can see your picture is uploaded. Then at the top left corner, you have the option of enter title name. Through this button, you can enter title for your blog post. Once you done this, then on the right side of the screen, you have these content blocks. Choose any of them and drag it to your page. So here I select this. So by clicking on it, you can edit text and add images. So for creating blog post, here what I do is just adding text. Once you add text, then it's your choice that you want to add picture or not. But before adding image, you can edit your text. Once you edit your text, then click on this plus button. But before this, go to pixels and choose the image for this. So here I select this picture and click on download button. Then wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Once download process is done, then go back to your site. And here what you need to do, at the right side of the screen, you have images button. Click on it, then this will pop up. Here you have the option of upload. Tap on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. From here, choose the image which you want to add. So here I tap on this image. Once you done this, then drag your image on this plus button. So you can drag image like this, then enter some text about Thailand beaches. So here I enter this paragraph about best beaches in Thailand. Once you have done with this, then you can edit this text. So before this, I can tell you that how you can edit your text. Once you done this, then what you need to do, at the right side of the screen, you have this pages option. Click on it. Then at the bottom, you have this plus button. Click on it. Once you done this, then enter the name for your page. Once you enter the name, then you have this done button. Click on it. Then you can see that your new page is added. Once you done this, then at the right side of the screen, you can see your new page name. At the front of this, you have these 3 dots. Click on it, then this will pop up. Here you have properties button. Click on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. Here you have done button. Just click on it. Then again click on these 3 dots. Then this will pop up. Here you have hide from navigation button. Click on it. Above your new page name, you have this home button. Click on it. Then you will be there on home page. For creating blog post, click on best beaches of Thailand. Then in edit options, you have insert link button. Click on it. Then the link which you created in new page will pop up. Click on it. Then click on apply button. Then here you can see the link of new page will apply on this text. Once you've done all these steps, then at the top right corner you have the button of publish. Click on it. Then for publishing this site to the web, enter the web address. So here in web address, I enter Best Thai Beaches. Once you done this, then here you have this publish button. Click on it. Once you click on it, then you are there on that site where you have published your blog. So here you can see publish view of your blog. So here what you need to do, just tap on this link which I enter. Here you can see that once I enter that link, I am on this page. So this is the easiest and the simplest way of creating a blog in Google Sites as beginner. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.